Good evening to all and welcome back to WeTrading.eu. Today I will update my charts for next week like I have done already in the past. You can read also the new post, the new article with the new charts and other specs on investing.wetrading.eu/blog. Okay, now we go immediately on the charts to understand better what we needed to do. This is the site for who want to go to the site with all my social from YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the Telegram trading room, where I invite you to stay with me every day. Now go to the chart here. For now we need to understand that prices of major index are sold because the last weekend before US election have a high volatility and some preoccupation about also the COVID effect in Europe. We can see that DAX today have tested the new low where it rebounded, but without a strong force. In fact, prices come back to the yesterday low and now are practically in a rectangular zone. For next week, I think that this type of divergence, positive divergence, maybe can give us some opportunity to buy this index, and the target maybe will be near the average, the 200 moving average. That's for now is at 12,200. So we will need to understand where demand can start to create a new uptrend. For one SP 500, we have a different way to see the market, because prices have the same divergence as you can see, but in the prices test for 2 times the new low. So this configuration is not comfortable for longer trader, and I think that market will test again the new low next month, before the election or after the election. But in the medium term, I think that long position with a tight stop on these lows maybe can create a little bit profit, and in my trading room I will try to stay in this situation. I will update you of course next week. For Nasdaq, one of the most important in the index, stock index in the month, we have new lows respect yesterday, and prices now are testing 11,000 point. It's a very psychology level, very important psychology level, and I think that it can be a good point to stay long. Tight stop under the low of today, and the main resistance is on the moving average. This is also here a 200 moving average. So I will think to stay long here next week, not in the weekend, but on Sunday night or Monday morning. Okay, this very good position is if can stay in this low. But if you break the low, prices have a new low very fast at 500 point under the 11 that are the same low level that we have seen in July. So that maybe can be a new fresh area to test if the level of price fall the minimum of today, the low of today. On daily we have a strong short signal from my indicator, and also here in my demand supply indicator we have a low configuration, so it tends to stay short. For weeks it's a very interesting index because we are again over the top, and we need to stay in this yellow rectangle, and I think that 40 point maybe it's the next stop. So I'm long on this index because if we will see more volatility, more risk in the charts, it will go up. I finished this video with gold that stay over 1850. That is the level where prices are gone long. As you can see also here, a long divergence of my indicator has permitted us to stay long, and now we need to reach also here the 200 moving average. So I prefer to stay long till that moving average. For now is near 19 level. And silver that follow the prices in the same way, but the silver have lost four times the same movement of silver this week. So it's not very simple to stay in this position in the spread, like I have wrote in my last trading plan. I have bought silver and sold gold this week, and here I am in a loss of 3% for now. I give you more details in my training plan on the blog. And for the spread about US 500 and DAX, we have again about 3%. So the two spread have been a parity price. In fact, the both of US 500 have lost 5%, but the sold of DAX have created a big profit of 8%. So the situation of this type of this type of spread give us a good result in the profit. For any questions, I'm here for you. You can write some comment in this video, or you can contact me directly in my socials or by email. Thank you for your attention and have a good weekend.